All right, so you heard about a body recomposition. You want to lose fat, build muscle, but you don't know how many calories you need to eat and how many grams of protein you need to make that happen. Today, I'm going to give you an example. But we have Sarah, 46 years old. She's in the gym 4 days a week. She's been lifting for years. She already has a base of muscle underneath some of the body fat. And she's doing about over 11,000 steps per day. She's active. This is more of someone I would recommend a body recomposition, because when you talk about losing fat while building muscle, the scale is going to go down slower. So if you're not someone that can handle the scale going down slowly, I personally don't recommend a body recomposition for you. Now, if you feel you're someone who is active, you have lifted weights for years, you do have a base of muscle underneath that body fat, this is for you. So step number one, we want to calculate what's known as your maintenance calories. So your maintenance calories are the amount of calories you eat from food that keep you at your current weight. The way I like to do it, we take 1 week, we track everything you normally eat, and that becomes your maintenance. So in this example, let's say Sarah's maintenance is 1,900 calories, and that's keeping her at her current weight, including going to the gym 4 times a week, lifting weights progressively and seriously, and getting over 11,000 steps. That being said, this is keeping her at 165. So now when you're doing a body recomposition, when you go into your calorie budget, I recommend a slight deficit. So for Sarah, I would only decrease her maintenance calories by only a couple hundred. Now, protein, this is the key. When you're trying to lose fat while building muscle in the deficit, you should keep your protein higher. Now, the reason I don't recommend a body recomposition for everyone, if you don't already have an appetite, you're not going to be able to eat the amount of protein that's going to be necessary to maintain some of that muscle as you lose fat. So for instance, for Sarah, I would recommend for her anywhere between 140 to 160 grams of protein per day. This would be like a minimum. Now, she has the appetite, she can eat more. Based off science, the more you can increase your protein intake, you're more likely to not lose muscle mass as you lose weight. This is what I recommend. So if you're at home and you've considered a body recomposition, if you're someone who's been lifting for years, you already have a base of muscle underneath body fat, I recommend this for you. In the comment section, if you're considering this, type the word body recomposition and I'll reach out to you.